Alright guys, let's try out some new makeup for me. It's been years since I've used an actual primer because I never thought they actually worked. It's the Milani Skin Quench Hydrating Primer with hyaluronic acid and coconut water. They had so much new stuff at Target, at least at my Target. They had new brands. I'm going to definitely try out some stuff out. I'm still on like my skincare kind of journey. So let's see if this is actually hydrating though. Ooh, feels like thick. My nose for some reason has been so dry, like especially under makeup. My under eyes have been dry. It feels nice though. So even when I wear moisturizer and an oil, my skin has been so dry. And the weather is changing here. It's getting warmer. Today's actually 77. Ooh, this feels nice. But like my makeup's been just like really dry on my chin. My nose is literally peeling. I'm trying to not buy makeup that's in plastic, honestly, but it's really hard because most makeup, unfortunately, is plastic. I'm just going to do quick makeup today. So I'm going to use my Cali Ray Skin Tint. Just a little bit. There's all these foundations coming out, which makes me want to try so much. Like the Danessa Myricks foundation, Kosas foundation, like all these hydrating foundations too. So I'm like, oh, it must have, of course, bought a foundation that I was excited about. And I really like this, but I think probably will be better for summer, honestly. Let me show you guys. It's nice just as like a base, but my nose is still really dry. So it's like, I don't want to return it, but I've only seen good reviews on this for people that have used it, but for me, I'm just so dry. So I don't know if that primer, we'll see if it did anything for my eyes. God, I don't know what's going on with my skin. It's so annoying. And then I got this sample from Sephora of the Fenty Corrector. It's like the super fair one, like the pink one. So I still don't know if I'm going to buy a full size of this, but I do think I'm going to get a corrector for my under eyes because they're just so, there's probably worse under eyes. So I went into Sephora with just eye makeup on. And of course, I literally told my husband, he's like, why are you wearing makeup at Sephora? I'm like, because I said, if you don't wear makeup at Sephora, they like look at you like you don't know what you're doing. And they try to like, I don't know, like a vulture. So yeah, I wore a little bit of makeup. For some reason, every time I go to Sephora too, they think I like don't know any of the brands. It's like, I do. Like, I know a lot about the brands here, and I know like I know a lot about makeup. Am I an expert? No, but like when it comes to makeup, it's like I know all the new launches. So yeah, I had to return the Kosas concealer because it was just like on my under eye, it literally broke up every single time. I'm the only one that I have seen that's had issues with it. So look how much brighter that is, like for real. You can still see, like, I don't know why it's so dark there, but I'm thinking about the Flower Beauty is an orange color, but I don't know if it's gonna work for me. And then I got the Ilia concealer, which I'm really liking. So far, so good. So I tried the Too Faced Born This Way because I got a sample of that on one eye, and then I did the Kosas on the other eye, and it was still like super drying. I was like, oh my god. It's actually a little bit better than the Kosas, honestly, but still looked pretty bad, like still super drying, like right here. So my poor little skin. Much better that looks. I'm really liking this though a lot. It looks pretty natural, and it's not drying like at all. And I think the coverage is really good too. I'm loving this Rare Beauty bronzer. Like I feel like, what was I doing without bronzer? Even though I think I was putting too much on my nose because it started looking, it's too warm for like a nose contour. Alright, and then I'm going to use this blush. It is by the brand Gen C. So I won a giveaway, $25 gift card, and then I purchased 2 products. This blush is so long wearing. I wore it yesterday and it looked fantastic. And this brand, so this is the shade Apricot. They are zero waste. So they're sustainable. They are vegan, cruelty-free. I mean, I cannot say enough good things about this brand. Like, so good. So I like a lot of blush. A little bit goes a long way. But I like blush. And I like, so they have like a pink color, which I'm just not a pink blush girl. I'm like a peach or like, you know, orangey kind of color. But like a nice glow to your skin, you know? And it's so blendable. This brand is just amazing. Literally, I'm serious, the best lipstick I have ever tried. I'm not joking. What I would compare the lipstick to is like if you've tried the ColourPop Matte X formula, where it's like really smooth, but it's long wearing. But this is actually more long wearing, and it's a fun packaging. All the shades are different color packaging. I've been really liking the Charlotte Tilbury powder. I've been obsessed with these Lunar Beauty brushes. They're so incredibly soft, and they just, I mean, I'm gonna probably get more. Like, so good. Gotta do it. I love, love, love this Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter. Oh my god. Obsessed. Obsessed, obsessed, obsessed. I'm into like cream products. Like, I just feel they look really nice in the skin. Especially with my dry skin. I'm not adding layer upon layer of powder. I can just wear these, honestly, or I can set them with powder like a little bit, but I do like, oh my god, so good. I think I'm just gonna use a Juvia's Place Nomad palette. It is like so dark on me. So, but it's a good, like, I don't know, all over eyeshadow, I guess. I'm just very fair, so everything is dark on me. For my Unicorn Cosmetics palette, I'm just gonna use Renaissance. Messily in the crease, just to have something in there. And then I gotta do a shimmer. I just have to. When I don't use a shimmery eyeshadow, I just feel like I don't look as good. I'm gonna use the Hills from BH Cosmetics. Their Lost in Los Angeles palette. I'm just gonna use a bright shimmer. So let me know what kind of videos you guys like. Like, do you like videos like this? Do you like reviews? Like talk throughs, or do you want me to do voiceovers? Like, just let me know what kind of content you guys want me to do. Also, do you guys like longer videos or shorter videos? And any brands or any products you want me to review or test out, let me know. So I would love to do that. I love trying new makeup and new looks. I don't know what happened with my eyebrows today, but I'm just gonna have to go with it. Use my Jane Iredale volumizing mascara. So good. Completely different from their other mascaras. Just a little bit today. We're gonna put the Renaissance shade on my lower lash line just to have it match. I just feel weird when I don't have something on my lower lash line. It looks unfinished to me. And then, of course, inner corner. Have to. Gotta do it. Gotta do it. Like, when I don't wear something in my inner corner, I just also feel like, I don't know, I all have our makeup things that we like, and I like that. We're bouncing around palettes today, just because, I don't know. From Olimar Cosmetics, Volume 1 palette, I'm just going to use the shade Lacosta. I've used this in a while. I just wanted a bright inner corner. Of course, this is still pretty, it's not like, it's like a champagne. I like a little lighter because, again, I'm so fair. And I'm not the palest of the princesses, but I'm still pale. And I like having a little bit on my brow bone just to kind of like lift the face and, I don't know, have brightness. I like to look glowy. A little bit of mascara on my lower lash line. So what do you guys think? I'm using the Jency Beauty lipstick in Margaret. I'm not a big lipstick person, but this is, like I said, actually long wearing. It is basically kiss proof, and it wears off nicely when it does wear off, and it just feels so good. One swipe. It looks really nice. Even when you, so if you have just lipstick on the top or bottom, if you go like this, it doesn't even transfer on the top. So this is a matte, but it feels so creamy. And like, I don't know if you can see, but like it doesn't stick. It's just literally, like I said, the best lipstick I've ever tried my entire life. So far the Gen Z only has a mascara, a brow gel, a lipstick, a lip gloss, and a blush. But I'm so excited to see what the brand holds. Like, I'm just really, really excited. I have everything that I want. So they're clean, vegan, sustainable, cruelty-free. What else could you want? So that is the final look. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Like, comment, and subscribe.